This video is for educational purposes only. This video is not a recommendation to buy or sell a security of any kind. Hello everybody, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. I want to throw a quick video together here to show you how the scanner alerts stocks. CGC has been alerting this morning for some time, coming up on one of our RBB charts, RBB scans, round and bottom breakout, this CGC, and it was alerting when it started to cross the 50-day simple moving average, which is right here. There we go. It's that blue moving average right there. So when we started to cross that, CG started to fire off because that was a RBB chart pattern here. Looking pretty good. Nice little bullish engulf. I'm going to definitely be looking at this chart here. And if anyone knows about our rounded bottom breakout and how to read the chart, you know where it may be headed. Let's look at a couple others real quick. CINA. Here's CINA setting up for that RBB setup. And let's see here. Yeah, RBB setup. Nice bottom here. Good consolidation. We broke out of the 50. The red-green trend line is setting up very nice. Looking pretty good there. I think the chart to keep an eye on, though, is this CGC. Keep it on your watch list. I hope this helps. Again, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. If you have any questions, let us know. Take care. Oh, and Happy New Year. This is December 31. So we're bringing in the new year here tonight. Y'all take care. And remember, if you like this video, click subscribe down below and give us a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Take care.